Good morning. This is Greg Kaiser at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, January 20th. First thing we will look at today, as I usually do, is the water vapor satellite imagery loop. And what it is showing this morning, I have a low pressure off the British Columbia coast, southerly flow aloft, moving into Idaho, and quite a bit of moisture, a lot of mid and high level moisture as well as low level moisture overflowing Idaho today, as it has been the last couple days. And generally we are going to keep rain and snow going off and on most of the day and into Monday. Right now we're getting a bit of a break. We do have some very light snow which has been falling up around Island Park, across parts of southeast Idaho, but we're in a bit of a break. You can see in northern California, western Oregon, extensive moisture pushing in off the Pacific Ocean, and we are going to get into more of this substantial moisture later on this afternoon. And we expect this afternoon is when more of the significant precipitation is going to move back into southern and southeast Idaho. Generally, we have the best snow over the mountains, southern highlands and central mountains, mixed rain and snow today. Mainly rain in the Snake River Plain as this cold front starts to push onshore, and as this pushes onshore, this Pacific moisture is going to move back into the region. Tomorrow, the cold front moves through Idaho. Snow levels will drop to the valley floors tomorrow. So whatever rain we have today is going to turn back to snow everywhere tomorrow. And high pressure moves in Tuesday. Generally only very light snow in the high elevations near Island Park and the central mountains. We are expecting snow. We have winter weather advisories out for all of the mountain areas of southeastern Idaho. Generally amounts 2 to 6 inches in the central mountains. We are expecting snow to linger longer in the eastern and southern highlands as that cold front pushes east. More widespread amounts of 4 to 10 inches in the eastern mountains, 8 to 12 total inches in Island Park. And Monday, as again I said, the snow levels will drop to the valley floors, and we are expecting generally 1 to 2 inches in the Pocatello and Blackfoot areas, maybe upwards of 3 inches. Idaho falls towards Rexburg. High temperatures today, very warm, generally well above freezing in the Snake River Plain, and even in the mountains, most areas in the mid-30s. Overnight lows tonight, generally dropping to around freezing in the Snake River Plain. We'll start to see much colder temperatures move into the mountain areas of the central mountains. And behind the cold front Monday, much colder conditions, generally low 30s in the Snake River Plain and 20s in the mountains. And then we will see much colder conditions as we move through the early part of the week. Mountain valleys dropping well below zero up at Stanley on Tuesday morning, and Snake River Plain even getting into the single digits to mid-teens, and highs Tuesday should be below freezing everywhere, most areas in the 20s. With this cold front approaching, we are going to see some gusty southerly winds. Southern highlands could see gusts above 30 miles per hour today. And as we get into tonight, generally 25 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts, generally west of Pocatello, through the Snake River Plain, eastern Magic Valley, and again gusts in the 40s, high elevations of the southern highlands. And behind the cold front on Monday, expect some breezy conditions as well. Again, gusts generally 25 to 35 miles per hour. Snake River Plain and some of the mountain peaks as we go through the day on Monday. A quick look at the 1 to 2 week outlook. Getting into February right now, equal chances of above and below normal temperatures over Idaho, and generally the same thing precipitation-wise. Not really trending significantly in either direction. So that will conclude today's briefing. Feel free to contact us at this number 24 hours a day, or go to our website listed at the bottom of this page. Again, a couple more days of snow. Again, valley rain today. Snake River Plain will be well above freezing. But again, mountain snow amounts, generally 4 to 8 inches. Isolated or local areas could see above 10 inches through the day on Monday, especially in the southern and eastern highlands where precipitation will be concentrated on Monday. That will conclude the briefing. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Thank you.